السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم يوسف 3 ساعات معاي MOHD 970. راح نبتدي مباراة أول فيديو حقنا. أنا بختار برشلونة. هو ماخذ اسبانيا وانا برشلونة. نخلي الوقت 5 دقايق. هاي أول بداية. راح ننزل فيديو ثاني يمكن عن تحدي فرمان.
Sergio Busquets. Now Neymar. Xavi. Iniesta. Piqué with some good covering. Iniesta. The ball is with Messi. He's been thwarted. Iniesta. Chance to counter-attack here. Soldado. Now through to Cesc Fabregas. And he'll shoot!
Oh, listen, I think you can understand something that the pace of the game pressures players into split-second decisions. And sometimes they just get the wrong one. They don't really get it pacing.
And they escape imminent danger. Task of him there. Messi's got it. And a shot here.
Goal!
A goal
Yes!
for Barcelona.
Neymar!
And there's the first goal of the game. There's the benefit of pinpoint accuracy.
Yeah, anything that finds its way into the net via the framework of the goal, it's most difficult for the keeper to reach. He was never going to get it.
They get us underway at 1-0.
Yeah, they may have got the lead, but that next goal now is absolutely crucial to the complexion of this one.
Silva on the ball.
Well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution now to get others into the match.
Xavi. And Silva. Sergio Busquets. Foul there, no question about it. Iniesta. Xavi. Silva. Sergio Busquets. Alexis Sanchez. Barcelona have got possession back. Alexis Sanchez. He's on the ball. Where's he taking it? Foul. A fairly easy decision for the referee. Jordi Alba has got hold of it. The whistle goes to signify half-time.
He hasn't exactly got the plan so far, but there's no need to panic. There's still plenty of time to get back into it. As always, an early goal will help swing things back into favour.
We kick off for the next 45 minutes. Iniesta is making his way forward. Iniesta has been fouled.
Well, it's a little further out than he likes, so he might just consider his options with this free kick.
Neymar. And he's given away a free kick. Here's Messi. He's had a real go. He misses. Only narrowly though.
Well, for me, he had a very decent crack at it, but it has to be said that the odds on those from distance were never really that good, and you'd always favour the keeper in that instance.
The ball has crossed the line and it's a throw. Now a chance for a cross to the flank. He shoots there.
Well, that was a really awkward one for the goalkeeper to deal with.
Sergio Busquets. And a strike from distance.
Well, when it becomes that speculative, I think it will cause something from the very top floor, and think a little bit more like that. In the end, it's just opted for a little card.
Arbeloa is in position to intercept. Gets it long. Now a chance for Neymar. And a shot here. Puts it away. It's a 2-goal lead now. Find some words to do justice to that goal.
That's a striker's dream. Unmarked, in front of the goal. It was on a plate for him, and he wasn't going to miss it.
So it's now 2 without reply.
Well, at 1-0 this game was very much in the balance, but at 2-0 they ought to be able to defend this league from here.
Sergio Busquets. Spain have possession again. Sergio Busquets. Neymar has the ball in a wide position. Here's Iniesta. Here's Messi. The ball's with Iniesta. Iniesta! He really should have made it 3-0 there.
And he really went for it there. He knew that was the moment when he could have made the tie safe. It should have been a 3-goal lead.
Iniesta. Javi Martinez is all over it. Iniesta has robbed him. Down the middle it goes. How about a volley? Oh, that was a real chance to extend
so easily have been came over. There would have been no way back from 3 behind.
And that's gone straight to the keeper. Daniel Alves. We're into the last 5 minutes. Xavi tried to play it through. The ball played through the middle. Wins the ball. Knocks forwards towards the area. Gets the ball in a nice position. And another one. They lead by 3, and that may just about be that. What a way to complete a hat-trick.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch.
That's a foul. Xavi. That's it. The match is over. They were torn apart defensively and overrun in midfield. They really had no answer to all the attacks and did well to keep the scoreline as it ended.
Well, some matches you just don't want to win. That was one of them for me. You couldn't predict what was going to happen next.